Hey there, fellow travelers. If you're anything like me, airport layovers can sometimes feel like a never-ending wait for your next flight. But fear not, because today I'm going to share with you some awesome ways to make the most of your time during your airport transit. Buckle up. First stop, retail therapy. Who doesn't love a bit of shopping? Take this opportunity to explore the fantastic duty-free shops at the airport. You might stumble upon unique items, special discounts, or even exquisite local treats. Trust me, your suitcase will thank you later. Next up, let's talk about one of my favorite things, food. Airports have transformed into foodie heavens, catering to every craving imaginable. From delicious local cuisines to international delicacies, there's something for everyone's palate. Grab a bite, sit back, and savor the flavor of your destination before even landing. Feeling the need to relax and unwind? Look no further than the airport's fancy cozy lounges. Spoil yourself with some quiet time, comfortable seating, and a variety of amenities such as Wi-Fi, charging stations, and even showers. Get that spa-like experience and rejuvenate your body and mind while waiting for your flight. Oh, pure bliss. Time to put on your explorer hat, because here's an adventure like no other: airport exploration. Many airports have unique features, art exhibits, and captivating architectural designs. Take a self-guided tour and snap Insta-worthy photos along the way. Impress your friends by saying, "Look where I am right now," while standing at the coolest spots in the terminal. Need a burst of adrenaline? Some airports offer incredible entertainment options to get your heart pumping. From mini golf courses to virtual reality experiences, the possibilities are endless. Challenge your fellow passengers to a game and let the friendly competition add some spice to your transit time. Get ready to bring out your inner champion. And last but not least, don't forget to make some memories. Strike up conversations with fellow travelers, make new friends, and exchange travel tips and stories. You never know who you might meet, an undiscovered travel buddy, or even a potential lifelong friend. Embrace the international camaraderie and create connections that go beyond your destination. So my fellow adventurers, the next time you find yourself with an airport transit, remember to make every minute count. Whether it's shopping till you drop, indulging in culinary delights, pampering yourself, exploring the airport's hidden gems, seeking out adrenaline-inducing activities, or simply creating unforgettable memories with fellow passengers, there's always something exciting to do during your layover. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your travel-loving friends. Stay tuned for more epic adventures and inspiring content. Until next time, safe travels and keep exploring. Bon voyage!